Hi, I'm Randy Moore. I'm with KMW. As you know, the emergence of high-speed data services by various carriers has brought two competing wireless technologies to the surface. That would be WiMAX and LTE. In order to build the infrastructure needed to deploy these data services, KMW has developed the dual-mode remote radio head, or RRH, which is capable of supporting multiple technology standards simultaneously. Now mobile data services can seamlessly integrate and operate both WiMAX and LTE with one convenient solution. I'd like to demonstrate the KMW dual-mode remote radio head. Now the RRH can be configured in these fashions. We can have full-mode WiMAX, where we have WiMAX and WiMAX, or we can have WiMAX and LTE, or we can have LTE and LTE. Okay, the KMW RRH is internally capable of handling the entire 2.5 to 2.69 gigahertz spectrum, which is already allocated for LTE and for WiMAX. This is a diagram depicting the demonstration setup that we have planned. At the very center of it, we have the KMW RRH unit here. It's connected via fiber optic to our baseband emulator. Of course, here's the graphic user interface, which is on a PC located in the lab here. There's the connection showing that, which is an Ethernet type connection. Though we have 4 RF ports here, we've only connected up to one of them for the sake of the demonstration. And we've split the power and have run the first line to a spectrum analyzer, which is capable of showing the demodulated WiMAX signal. The second one is capable of showing the demodulated LTE signal. What you're seeing here is the output of the first spectrum analyzer, which is showing 2 WiMAX signals. Now in the previous display, we saw 2 WiMAX signals in adjacent channels. Now we've split them up and put the left channel in this left display and the right channel in the right display, so that we can identify through an analysis the WiMAX signature. Okay, we just got done looking at 2 adjacent WiMAX carriers in the same display in single mode. Now we'd like to switch to dual mode, where we deal with WiMAX and an LTE signal simultaneously. Now the way we do that is to use the interface program, and it's just as simple as going over to the proper box, clicking on that, get the down arrow for the menu, and we'll select option number 1 here, which is LTE plus WiMAX. That's selected, go down to data set, and we'll click on that, and then we'll start modifying the configuration automatically. You can see here that there are some calculations, or actually the digital predistortion is being implemented, and as it does, the transmitted spectrum gets cleaned up. And we're just about done. There it goes. So now we're done. We've got the digital predistortion in place, and we've got an LTE signal on the left and a WiMAX signal on the right. Here we see an analysis of the LTE signal, and this is an analysis of the WiMAX signal. Now I'll show you the measurement results for the full band support. The 2 carriers are located at the lower end of the 2.5 to 2.69 gigahertz spectrum. KMW has provided various base station solutions for migration and interfacing with leading market technologies. For more information on the KMW RRH and other innovative KMW technologies, contact your friendly neighborhood KMW representative and visit our website at kmwcom, that's with 2 M's.com.